humans, do we have lessons to learn from birds? First, let's get to know a little bit about birds. Do you know there are over 10,000 species of birds divided into 5 categories? The 5 categories are perching birds, birds of prey, water birds, game and ground birds, woodland and forest birds. Firstly, let's understand about perching birds. Perching birds are small land birds which eat mainly seed, insects, nectar. There are over 5,700 species of perching birds. All perching birds are adapted to grip and perch tightly. The largest perching bird is the raven and the Australian lyrebird. The smallest is the bush tit and the pitch-mittit. Secondly, I will speak of the birds of prey. Birds of prey hunt down other animals for their food. They have keen eyesight, sharp hooked bills, and strong feet, each with curved claws called talons. There are 2 main groups of birds of prey. The raptors, such as eagles, falcons, and vultures. The owls, which are the nocturnal. There are 300 species of raptors and over 200 species of nocturnal birds. Thirdly, I like to speak of the water birds. Water birds live near shallow water, on coasts, lakes, meadows, marshes, and other wetlands. There are over 200 species of water birds such as Pesente jacana, avocates, lapwing, sandpiper, and snipe. Next, I would like to speak about game and ground birds. There are more than 280 species of game birds, which include turkeys, jungle fowl, pheasant, and grouse. The name game bird means this group of birds is hunted down for food or sport. Finally, it's a pleasure to speak of my personal favorite, woodland and forest birds. There are many types of woodland and forest birds. They are toucan, hornbill, woodpecker, kingfisher, bee-eater, swift, pigeon, hummingbird, and hoopoes. Now let's look at some lessons we can learn from birds. Be confident. Birds trust themselves before taking off. Show your talent. Let your colors shine like the bird's feather. Show up early. They say early bird catch the worm. Teamwork. Like the birds flock together as a team. Plan your action before you act. Let me conclude by saying, a bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because its trust is not on the branch but on its own wings.